Want free money back for buying the things you already buy? Rakuten's got you covered, but only if you use it right. First, head to rakuten.com or download their app. It's totally free to sign up. Just use your email or a Google, Facebook account. Before you even think about shopping, search for the store you want to shop at on Rakuten. For example, if you want to shop at Nike, type Nike into the search bar. Find your store on the list and click the Shop Now button. This is crucial. You have to go through Rakuten's links so they can track your purchase. You'll likely see a pop-up saying Cashback activated. Make sure to click on the button that says Continue to Nike. This confirms Rakuten is tracking your purchase. Now shop on the store's website as you normally would. Add your items to your cart and check out. After your purchase, you will see the cashback amount reflected in your Rakuten account as pending for a little while. This is because the store verifies the purchase. Once the store verifies, the cashback changes to available, and Rakuten pays you via PayPal or check, depending on your settings. That's it. Shop smarter, not harder, and start racking up that sweet cashback with Rakuten.